We are not seeing this every day, and in the same time, it's spectacular footage. Very rare occurrence in this war. A Ukrainian tank destroys blank point, a Russian tank. Just watch. Although the video is not clear, everything is explained. In Kupiansk front, the Russians practically broke through the defenses in the line of Kislivka, Kotlyarivka, which are two villages that are almost fused together. They have thrown in loads of armored vehicles and achieved a solid local numerical advantage. They seem to have actually brought over reinforcements from below from the Avdiivka front. They are now trying to surround Ukrainian units, who are thus forced to regroup to avoid this. To try to equalize the balance of forces, Ukrainian reinforcements have been quickly thrown in from Pishane, Hlushjivka, and Kurilivka. The Kupiansk front should not be forgotten either. However, the Russians are taking really heavy losses now anyway. On the outskirts of Novokarlivka, units of the 108th Territorial Defense Brigade discovered and destroyed a hangar with Russian automobile equipment. The Russians would take the Baltics in 7 days. Vadim Skibitsky, a representative of the Defense Intelligence of Ukraine, told The Economist. He added, "NATO's reaction time is 10 days. Ukraine's bravery and sacrifice have given Europe a multi-year head start, removing the immediate threat from Russia's once-feared airborne forces and Marine Corps for at least a decade. The question is whether Europe will repay the favor by helping Ukraine in the fight." Germany to deliver 6 TRML-4D mobile radar stations to Ukraine this year. This is the newest variant that went into service in 2020. The radar can track around 1,500 targets within a 250-kilometer radius and has a critically wide altitude range, from ground level up to 40,000 meters. frontline wedding, 37-year-old Sandra Anderson Eira from Norway, who volunteered for Ukraine 2022 and is serving as a combat medic, has married her 32-year-old Jabari, a Ukrainian officer in the 505th Marine Infantry Battalion. They met in the forest at the front during fierce fighting and constant Russian attacks. He proposed to her already last year, but it wasn't until April 24th this year that they were able to get married. The wedding took place under field conditions, and the wedding witnesses were the commander of the fire support group, the medical group commander whom Sandra had known since the beginning of the war, and friends from the airborne troops and from other units. Their current family, in the form of brothers in arms, was simply there. Sandra Anderson Eira has previously sat in the Norwegian Sami parliament. U.S. to transfer advanced attack drones with firearms on board to Ukraine. Feloni Aero has announced the launch of its latest line of armed drones aimed at strengthening Ukraine's defense capabilities, Defense Industry Europe reports. Feloni Aero will offer Ukraine drones carrying a 5.56mm machine gun on board, as well as missiles and advanced surveillance equipment. Dutch and British military instructors salute Ukrainian soldiers who have completed their training and are returning to Ukraine to join the front. This is the difference between Russian soldiers and Ukrainian ones. The latter are trained.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.